200 birds, no problem. All right, folks. Want fresh chicken straight from the backyard? 200 broilers are a great start. It's manageable, even for first-timers. You'll learn loads, and the taste? Forget about it. Way better than supermarket birds. Plus, you control their feed, their environment, everything. This ain't factory farming, this is proper care. We're talking good food, good practices, and happy, healthy chickens. Sounds daunting? Relax. We'll break it down step by step. By the end, you'll be a broiler raising pro. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's do this. First things first, the chicken crib. Space is key. Cramped chickens equal stressed chickens, and nobody wants that. Aim for about 0.75 square feet per bird. That's roughly 150 square feet for your 200 feathered friends. Next, feeders and drinkers. You'll want enough for everyone to eat and drink comfortably at the same time. No fighting over grub. Ventilation is vital too. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want to live in a stuffy room, right? Same goes for your birds. Good airflow keeps things fresh and prevents nasty ammonia buildup. Food is fuel, especially for these growing machines. Broilers are like little athletes, and just like athletes, they need the right nutrition to perform their best. We're aiming for fast, healthy growth. This means providing them with a balanced diet that meets their nutritional needs at every stage of their development. That means high-quality broiler feed, divided into stages. Each stage is carefully formulated to ensure the birds get the right nutrients at the right time. Starter feed for 0 to 3 weeks is the baby formula, packed with protein around 22 to 24% for those crucial first few weeks. This high-protein content is essential for their rapid growth and development. It helps them grow strong bones and muscles. During this period, the chicks are building the foundation for their future growth, so it's important they get all the nutrients they need. Grower feed for 3 to 6 weeks is time to beef up. This is when the birds start to put on more muscle mass. The protein level drops slightly, around 18 to 20%, but they'll be eating more overall. This stage is all about supporting their continued growth and development. Finisher feed from 6 weeks to market is all about putting on the final weight. This is the last stage before the birds are ready for market. Protein content drops again, 16 to 18%, and they'll really pack away the food. This helps them achieve the desired market weight efficiently. Keep an eye on their feed intake, adjust as needed. Monitoring their consumption ensures they are getting enough food without overfeeding. And always have fresh water available. Hydration is just as important as nutrition for their overall health and growth. Make sure their water supply is clean and plentiful at all times. Biosecurity is a fancy word for germ warfare. Think of it as building a fortress around your flock. The goal? Keep diseases and parasites out. How do we do that? Foot baths. Everyone entering the coop dips their boots in a disinfectant solution. This stops nasty bugs hitching a ride on your shoes. Dedicated clothes and equipment. Have a separate set of clothes and boots just for the coop. This prevents cross-contamination from other areas. Pest control, rats, mice, wild birds, they can all bring in disease. Seal up any holes in your coop and consider traps or deterrents. Visitor control. Limit visitors to your coop, especially other poultry owners, and always follow the footbath rule. Section 5 Vaccination Nation, your broiler's best defense. Vaccinations are like little superhero shields for your birds, protecting them against nasty diseases. Consult with your local veterinarian for the best vaccination schedule in your area. They'll recommend which vaccines are necessary based on local disease risks. Some common ones include Marek's disease. This highly contagious disease can be devastating to your flock. Vaccination is typically done at the hatchery. Newcastle disease, another highly contagious respiratory disease that can cause high mortality rates. Infectious bronchitis. This respiratory disease can lead to decreased egg production and growth problems. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. A well-vaccinated flock is a healthy flock. Section 6, Common Broiler Ailments, be prepared. Even with the best care, chickens can get sick. Knowing the signs is crucial. Keep an eye out for respiratory problems. Coughing, sneezing, discharge from the eyes or nostrils, diarrhea, watery or bloody droppings, loss of appetite or lethargy, birds that are off their food or seem depressed, skin lesions or feather loss. Check for any sores, scabs, or bald patches. If you notice any of these signs, isolate the sick bird immediately and contact your vet. Early detection is key. Section 7. Keeping it clean. Litter management 101. Think of the coop floor as your chicken's living room. Nobody likes a dirty living room. Good litter management is essential for healthy birds. Choose the right material. Wood shavings, rice hulls, or chopped straw all work well. Keep it dry. Moisture is the enemy. Wet litter encourages bacteria and ammonia buildup. Remove any wet spots regularly and make sure your coop is well ventilated. Stir it up. Regularly turning the litter helps to aerate it and distribute moisture evenly. This prevents it from becoming compacted and smelly. Clean it out. Completely remove and replace the litter every few weeks or sooner if it becomes excessively soiled. Section 8. Water everywhere. Importance of clean drinking water. Water is life, and just like us, chickens need clean, fresh water to thrive. Dirty water can harbor bacteria and spread disease like wildfire. Clean those drinkers. Scrub your waterers daily with a brush and disinfectant. Remove any slime or buildup. Fresh is best. Provide fresh water at least twice a day, more often in hot weather. Location. Place drinkers where they won't get soiled by droppings or litter. Consider additives. Adding apple cider vinegar or a poultry-specific water disinfectant can help to inhibit bacterial growth. Section 9. Record keeping, your broiler farm's diary. Keeping records might seem boring, but trust me, it's a lifesaver. Detailed record keeping is the backbone of a successful broiler farm. It helps you track your flock's health, growth, and feed consumption. By maintaining accurate records, you can identify trends and make necessary adjustments to improve your farm's efficiency. Feed intake. Note down how much feed they're eating each day. This data is crucial for ensuring your birds are getting the right nutrition and for managing feed costs effectively. This helps you monitor their growth and spot any potential problems early on. Regularly checking and recording their growth rates can help you detect issues like underfeeding or disease before they become serious. Water consumption. Keep an eye on their water intake. Water is essential for their health, and any changes in consumption can be a red flag. Changes in drinking habits can be